configuration of the rotary oven, 32 tray. There's a power button. Turn on the power button. The oven is at a stop mode right now. Fix the temperature, 250. Turn it on. In 10 seconds, the burner will start moving. Okay, this is automatic function. Now if you would turn down the temperature low, it's at 230 degrees right now and the temperature is set at 250 degrees. Let's turn it on, let's turn it down to 150, it will switch off automatically. If you were to increase the temperature above the limit, it will turn on automatically. The thermostat is automatically controlled. There's a timer switch. You can set the timer for the batch, and if the timer goes off, it will give you a beep. Like this. Okay? As simple as that. Another feature of the oven. Once you open the door, the exhaust starts working automatically. The rotation will stop. You can feed in the products and close it back again. Once you close it, again automatically the thermostat will detect and the oven will start on auto mode in 10 seconds. These are the fault detecting mechanism. If there is any heating fault, if there is any turning rotation fault, if there is a fan fault or exhaust fault, the oven will signal you and you'll have to do the needful to fix. But these errors come very, very rare if there is an actual problem. Now when you are about to switch off the oven, you just stop, turn the temperature down to 0, okay, and switch off the power. This is the steam function, which if you want to do convection cooking, when you press this button, it will automatically take in the water from the water outlet and do convection cooking. It is connected over here. All the safety features are over here. This is a 3-phase starter box, which prevents the oven from working if one of the phases out of the 3-phase is not available, which protects your oven in turn. The regulator system is fixed. For the first time you'll have to do the setting, and once it's done, you don't have to worry. Okay, switching it off. Thank you.